mga darling. Happy New Year, darlings, honeybee, sweetheart, and etc. I hope you had a good start into 2025. And ask of me and my youngest daughter, we are in Germany, but we are flying back to Vegas on the 4th of January. So, my New Year's resolution, stay as beautiful as I am, as funny as I am, and friendly as I am. Well, I wish for my family in 2025 that my children are all healthy, and less trials in life. Challenges, yes, but trials are different than challenges. Okay, so for today's video, as I start the new year, 1st of January 2025, I would like to share with you my first look of the year. This is a Louis Vuitton. I shop in Amsterdam, Louis Vuitton, Amsterdam. And so let's find out what it is. Let's do the unboxing. By the way, I am in the room of my grandson. So we have here the 2024 Christmas holiday season. This is the box. Look at that. I had the camel already. Let me open up the box. Let's untie the ribbon, but I don't like to untie the ribbon. I just want to pick it up like that. And then we have it open. Look at this. How beautiful the horse is. Right? Okay, so I got me a small thing, my remembrance from Amsterdam, because we stayed there overnight with my family when my little girl and I touched down there or arrived there. Okay, so I got me the scarf. This is since 1854, where Louis Vuitton founded the Louis Vuitton. Okay, then let me share with you the design of the scarf. So I'm going to frame this and then hang it on my display on my wall in Las Vegas. I already have the frame. Look at the details of the design. Am I holding it correctly? I think so. So this is so beautiful. It is a sophisticated art, and I don't want to use it at my scarf. So ang ganda po niyan, di ba? So ang ganda niyan sa wall. At saka yung kulay niya is the color of the year, right? May pagka-mousse chocolate. Light chocolate. O dark beige. So yan po ang ating since 1854 na scarf. And then meron pa po tayong mga maliliit na bagay. What I got myself for Christmas. So i-unpack ko na po yan kasi mag-i-impake na po ako dahil paalis na kami in 2 days. So may mga maliliit na bagay na regalo ng mga anak ko sa akin. But before I got here, bumili ako ng Prada skirt for summer. Ayan po. Mga honeybee, sweetheart at iba pa. Ayan po yung ating Prada. Size 38 po ito sa Europe size kasi parang maliit siya. Pero you can open it here at the side. May zipper po siya. Ganyan. And then may hook and eye na pag ganyan. Oo, very nice. Ayun. And then, ayan po, Prada skirt. So, pwede po ito ng navy blue na top or white. Basta gusto ko siya. And this is perfect for Vegas. Medyo mabigat lang yung metal niya na may Prada. Ayan. So, ayan po yung skirt natin. And then next, meron po tayong for Christmas. Versace. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi body. So, maganda to isuot for winter kasi po sensitive po sa lamig ang aking likod. So, natatabunan po siya. It covers my whole body. I mean, the upper body. Ayan po. Ayan po yung ating Versace. So, body po siya. And then, meron pa po tayong dinalawa ko na. Actually, meron na ako neto. Mahilig ako sa Valentine. So, meron na po ako. Medium po yung cream color na in-order ko lately. Also, I think on my birthday last October. Nag-order po ako ng size small. Dinalawa ko na lang. So, this color is Old Rose. Ang tawagin. Parang pastel po siya. Very nice. Ayan po, Valentino. I like this one kasi hindi siya masyadong halata. Bale, yung logo lang ng Valentino, right? So, yes. Parang sweater lang din siya. Pero, maganda. And then, dinalawa ko na nga. So, check out the other color. It reminds me of Madam May. Happy New Year, Madam May. Shout out to you. So, this is a lavender, purple, or something like that. Ayan. So, dalawa pong S, pero pareho po ng design. Magkaiba lang po ang color. So, ganyan po yung ating Valentino sweater. Which is, I love. The color is so stunning. Ayan. So, I think that's pretty much about it. Wishing you a Happy New Year. Today is 1st of January. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you so much sa mga nagmamahal sa akin, sa nagpa-follow po sa akin. Marami pong salamat. Ang mga sumusubaybay po sa aking video at mga nanonood. At mga yung tumulong po sa akin, na sumuporta po sa akin when I was raising funds for my daughter last year. And I am so grateful and thank you so much, Madam May, for discovering me on TikTok. Kasi without you, hindi ko sana nakilala yung mga taong very generous na sumuporta po sa akin nung namili sila ng aking mga items. Of course, authentic bags and accessories and etc. Marami pong salamat and God bless you all po. Thank you and see you around.